Have you ever wondered how to grow carnivorous plants at home? Carnivorous plants, with their unique insect-trapping characteristics, are truly a marvel of nature. This video is here to help you cultivate these fascinating species right in your own home. If you're up for the challenge, here are some tips to help you get started. First things first, choose the right plant. For beginners, Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, and sundews are great choices. Consider your environment and skill level when making your choice. Remember, the right plant for you is the one that matches your environment and skill level. Once you have your plant, it's time to learn how to take care of it. Carnivorous plants thrive in nutrient-poor soil, so steer clear of fertilizers. They prefer rain or distilled water over tap. Ensure they get plenty of light, but avoid direct sunlight. Remember, they're not gluttonous. Overfeeding can harm them. And don't forget the winter dormancy period. It's vital for their health. Proper care and maintenance are key to growing healthy carnivorous plants. Like any other plants, carnivorous plants can encounter problems too. Pests can be a nuisance, but a gentle insecticide should do the trick. Rot, often caused by overwatering, can be prevented by ensuring a well-draining environment. And if your plant seems to lack appetite, it may just be in a dormant phase. Remember, these fascinating organisms have their own rhythms and timings, so don't fret. With patience and consistent care, you can overcome these problems and enjoy the unique beauty of your carnivorous plants. Growing carnivorous plants at home can be a rewarding experience. We've taken you through the journey of choosing the right plant, providing proper care and maintenance, and troubleshooting common issues. Remember, these tips are just the beginning. Your green thumb will develop further as you gain experience and continue to research. So why not try your hand at nurturing these fascinating green predators? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy growing!